Good morning, everybody. Well, today is the second day that we're working on this new bed so it's finishing up getting the grass out of here, and then repositioning the rocks, figuring out how I want the bed. So I'm going to turn you around. Just give me a sec. This is all to be transplanted when the bed is redone, and then same with that guy there who's not doing too good. And then here's where I'm at right now. So really, I only have this little bit here to kind of dig up, and then it'll be looking at the rocks, right? Because these are flowers, so I have to transplant them. And then over here, I'm probably going to clean up the rocks and see if I can dig out some of those roots that were cut yesterday with the trimmer. But I got to rake all that. And then in here is the stuff that I pulled out of here, right? But some of this I might be able to put back when the bed's redone, so we'll see. So I'm working on this area here now. Once I get this area here cleaned up, I have to dig up these plants too. Then I'm going to clean this corner up, rake that, clean this corner up, and then we're going to focus on getting this all situated. I still got all this grass to get to as well. Guys, I'm going to finish up this little corner. Okay guys, so the sun's in my way right now, but I pulled these out. Because look at the tubers on these. So there got to be some sort of I don't know what kind of flower it is, but those will be used to spread around. I'm keeping that stuff to replant. Okay, guys, I gotta change the battery, but I'm gonna start cleaning all that up and then start seeing if I can rearrange rocks. I'm getting tired of digging, so I will be back. That beautiful sun shining, a few clouds, not much, they're way over in the distance, but you know, but look at it. That looks like snow up there. Cool, eh? Okay, that's where we're at now. So in my video on the camera, I stopped doing this here. I got 3 plants to pull out of here, but I'm gonna hold off until I get to that when I start moving rocks. Those over there, I'm gonna go get some buckets, a couple buckets, and put water in it so we can get those soaking. And then all this is I'm gonna try and put this back once we get the rocks placed. So I'm just gonna clean this up. I'm gonna turn you around. Okay. So this guy, what we're gonna do, I want to place so these are like, they got tubers on them, right? So there's some sort of a lily or something, or I don't know. So I'm just gonna sit them in there. That way, so there's a lot. I'll be able to split all this up into the bed, right? This was in the bed already. Okay, so and then these guys, I'm gonna stick them in there too, right? Just so that they get water, and get the rest of these tubers in there. Then I'll grab another bucket. See, these are all tubers. So those I'll just add water to that one. And then I want to get this guy in here. Get him drinking water. There. Must have holes in this. Okay. I'm gonna go get the other bucket. I'll be back. Okay. So I've got the stuff I pulled in the water now, so that they get water. So I don't know how long it's going to be before I plant. So I took these out and I stuck them in here in water. So we'll see how it goes. So this guy has horse, cow, sheep, and chicken manure in it. So we'll see if it works better than the other stuff.